Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are doing good. Today I will be showing you how to make Shai Adani. Shai Adani is originated from a city of Yemen called Aden and is one of the famous hot drink around the world. And usually I have this in my favorite Yemeni restaurants or the stall in my neighborhoods. After a bit of experimenting, I came up with a recipe that is just exactly like the restaurant. There are many versions to make it. Every household adjusts it to their taste. And this is just perfect for your Ramadan. After iftar, just have a cup of Shai Adani and you will feel relaxed and energetic at the same time. So if you are new to my channel, please, you are most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'm uploading more than one video every week. So let's get started and jump into the recipe. To make Shai Adani, I'm taking here 2 cups of water. In 2 cups of water, I'm taking a small piece of ginger and I'm going to grate it. I prefer or recommend to use the fresh ginger. You can even use the ginger powder. It's completely optional, but fresh ginger is much better. And it's going to be more aromatic. Here I have around a 7 to 8 cardamom that I have slit from the middle and 3 small sticks of cinnamon. You can add here cloves as well, but for me this spice is just perfect. I'm adding here in 2 cups of water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chai, that is tea. And here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste. Now cook it directly on the flame until it boils. Once it has started to boil, then here I'm adding almost a half cup of evaporated milk. In 2 cups of water, I'm adding half cup of milk. This is the ratio. You can increase or decrease it as you like. Now bring it to boil or cook it like around 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, it's boiling. Now it's done. Blow the candles, enjoy it with your loved ones, and please don't forget to share it with your friends and family because sharing makes everything taste much better. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.